Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Microsoft Excel, a super powerful tool that can help you organize data, crunch numbers, and so much more. If you're completely new to Excel, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover the absolute basics, understanding the interface, how to save your work, and those sometimes confusing file formats. Let's jump in. So, when you first open Excel, you'll see something like this. The first thing I want to draw your attention to is the ribbon up top. This is where all the magic happens. The ribbon is organized into different tabs. See here, we have the Home tab. This is your go-to for common tasks like formatting text, aligning data, and using basic formulas. Think of it like your everyday toolkit. Then we have Insert, where you can add charts, pictures, and other objects to your spreadsheet. Page Layout helps you set up your sheet for printing. And so on. Each tab groups related functions together, making it easier to find what you need. Take some time to explore them, you'll be surprised what you find. Now, let's say you've been working hard, entering some data, maybe creating a simple table like this. It's crucial to save your work regularly. You don't want to lose all that effort. To save, you'll go up to the File tab here in the top left corner. Click on it, and then select Save As. This will open up the Save As dialog box. First, you need to choose where you want to save your file, maybe your Documents folder, or a specific project folder. Then, give your file a meaningful name in the File Name field. Let's call this My First Sales Report. Now, this is an important one, Save As Type. You'll see a drop-down menu here. By default, it's usually set to Excel Workbook, which is the .xlsx format. This is the standard format for modern versions of Excel, 2007 and later. It's great because it supports all the latest features. But what if you're sharing your file with someone who has an older version of Excel, like Excel 2003 or even 97? In that case, you'll need to select Excel 97 to 2003 Workbook from this list. This will save your file as a .xls extension. The .xls format is compatible with those older versions, but just a heads up, some of the newer features you might use in modern Excel might not work, or might look different, when opened in an older version. So, always consider who you're sharing with. For most cases, .xlsx is your best bet. Once you've chosen your location, name, and format, just click Save. And there you go. Your work is safe and sound. And that's it for our quick introduction to Excel. We've covered navigating the tabs, saving your precious work, and understanding those key file formats. This is just the beginning of your Excel journey, so keep exploring and practicing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up.